Hello, Librans. How are you all? This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute and Finite Healing. And yes, this is a reading for you for the month of December. Yes, I hope whatever readings I gave you earlier really helped you. They gave you good insights, they motivated you, they warned you. I always say they show you the GPS system, and then it's your choice whatever you want to do. So lovely. One, two. This time I am guided to remove 7 cards in each and every video. 6, 7. Alright. Party card. December, New Year, lovely. Even Virgo's got a party card. Alright. After a long time, health seems better for you all. I remember the earlier cards. So it's party time. Yes, you will be meeting friends, you will be partying, you will be very happy, very enthusiastic after a long time. I guess after 2 months or 3 months, yes. Perfect. Uh, just stay away from addictions. Uh, it's okay to drink or smoke, or I mean, I don't judge people that way, but anything in scarce and anything in too much is not good. Doesn't generate good energy. You will put up a base to something. So you will start something new as a project. Naya project. Happy I am. And you are now near settlement. Some settlement relating to a court case. Some settlement relating to your own life will be, that opportunity will come to you. Again, opportunity is always on how you take that opportunity, how you encash the opportunity, because this is a card where you will have opportunities. The opportunities are in your hand. The 2 swords are the opportunities that are they're in your hand. You're all fine. Still, you don't want to take that opportunities and you're just blindfolded. So this is something that you need to work on. You're not looking at what you have in life. You're not looking at your potential. You're into some other world. You feel you're a victim. I cannot decide. And then you lose everything that the month has to offer you. The month has to offer you enthusiasm. The month has to offer you health. The month has to offer you settlement opportunities. Month has to offer you new projects. But due to your parting, if you say no to these projects or delay them, then it's not my responsibility. This is what you kind of do, I guess. This is the 3rd consecutive time that the High Priestess is coming in my readings. So December, I think, is blessed by the High Priestess. The High Priestess is in charge of the tarot. She takes care of the tarot and she takes care of all the psychic and occult activities. So she is blessing you because this card has come. She's blessing you good. Take her blessings. Start your new projects. You can handle, you can multi-handle, balance yourself. I don't mean to say don't enjoy your Christmas or New Year, but I think you can manage your time. I think smart management will really help you with these new projects. And think about this settlement. Think about this settlement card. If someone is offering you an opportunity to settle down a relationship, or maybe settle down on some money, maybe come to a midpoint, maybe a mutual agreement, please go for it. That will really benefit you. Or I don't know, the next month, we've still not seen. And this time though, I'm going to give you the whole year's plan in the next video in January. But so far, this is what I have to tell you. Someone aged will prove an issue. some aged person. I think this was in the last reading also. Some aged person might need your help. Someone might not be healthy. So yeah, I know you have to multitask a lot. I know there is a lot of things on your platter and there's a backlog of 2-3 months, but just calm down, breathe, say Om thrice, and then start your day. All right. You could also work with the rose quartz. This is a rose of rose quartz. Okay, hope you can see me. See the rose quartz. You could work with this. Keep this under your pillow. It's a flower, and I think you'll calm down. You can also use batch flower remedies, or you could use some calming sprays. We also have them. Lavender oil you could use to calm down. So whenever you are overwhelmed with whatever is happening around, sit down, inhale a little of lavender, but the essential oil, not the synthetic oil. Inhale, and I think you will start feeling much better after that. All right, so that is what December has to offer to you, Librans. And I will see you soon the next year. All right, take care. Bye.